Welcome to BreakTech, where you'll experience the ultimate visual satisfaction of watching machines and tools operate with flawless precision and efficiency. Get ready to feel the magic in every perfectly executed movement. Let's dive in. You'll be captivated by the beauty of the yarn and the mesmerizing process of its transformation on the drum carder. Enjoy fresh and delicious boneless salmon fillet thanks to the advanced technology of the MS-26 12-pin bone remover. Thread spools are fed into the machine where precise mechanical parts pull and twist them in perfect order. With adjustable speed and tension, it creates unique and durable threads. Just wait, we're about to have some delicious jelly. With this powerful assistance, farmers no longer need to toil under the scorching sun while maintaining high productivity. The automatic jam pumping machine is essential equipment for bakeries, improving performance and ensuring consistent product quality. Say goodbye to stressful workdays and welcome the era of automated pallet production. The automatic capsule filling machine minimizes the risk of broken or distorted capsules, ensuring the quality of the final product. Mechanical punching is typically quieter and produces less dust compared to traditional steel cutting methods like hand cutting or using a grinder. For the KR1000 Titan robot, stacking thousands of loads in just 1 hour is entirely possible, 5 times faster than traditional methods. The secret to making perfect mochi donuts has finally been revealed. The sourdough bread slicer is a game changer. Just look at the perfection of those slices. By maintaining stable conditions, incubators can help increase hatching rates compared to natural incubation, ensuring higher egg production. When using the paper counting machine, remember that the machine only operates when there is more than 30 grams of weight. The zipper slider hanging machine is commonly used in large zipper factories, improving performance and the quality of the final product. Thanks for watching. Which machine blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let us know what industrial tech you'd like to see next. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to catch all our latest videos. See you in the next one.